Go so she can sit there.
Hi guys, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make fish and chips. Well, the fish part of fish and chips. Okay, so I've got, this is, I bought it at Meijer. They're like catfish nuggets, and I just cooked them up already, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get my Baker's Basic, or I'm sorry, my garlic bread mix. Don't use Baker's Basic, it does not go with fish. This is my garlic bread mix, okay? And I got egg whites in here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not serving this, I'm actually gonna eat it myself, so if I use my fingers, I don't care. I'm dipping it in the egg whites, and then I'm gonna dip it in the garlic bread mix. I'm gonna spray my pan. And guys, if you have an air fryer, this works better even in an air fryer, but I'm gonna spray it. Whoops, I'm gonna set it down. Okay, and if you've seen my recipe with the fried chicken, this is basically the same thing, but it's fish instead of chicken. It's so good. And the one other thing I do, okay, I'm gonna make a bunch of these. Whoops. I like to cook the fish first because then you know you can air fry it for like 3 to 5 minutes and it's not a big deal, it'll be delicious. If you don't cook it first, you're gonna have to like cook it long enough to, you know, make sure that the fish is cooked on the inside. And sometimes I just get afraid that it might burn or something. So I've done it both ways. I like this way much better. So this is, I'll make more, but this is just gonna give you an example. We're gonna let this sit. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray these. And then I'm gonna add my HTM seasoning. I use this instead of salt just because it tastes so good, okay? And all I'm gonna do to this is I'm just gonna flip it. I'm gonna give it a minute to brown, and then I'll take it and flip it. Let's see if it's brown now. I don't know. Oh, it'd be good if I turn this on. So I turned it on now, so it's obviously not brown on the other side. But all I'm gonna do is take this, brown it, flip it, and you got delicious fried fish. I mean, and fried fish with no calories. There's not even any fat in this, okay guys? Because you're dipping it in egg whites and dipping it in the garlic bread mix. And catfish is one of my favorite things to eat all the time, so I've got plenty of it in my freezer. This is what I'm gonna do with it, okay? Just another idea for you guys on how to use HealthyTreatsMarket.com products. And you can go on the website, HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and look for more recipes, order online, do whatever you want. Or if you live nearby, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.